Hey everyone, and welcome to Depicter. Today I want to show you how to add a beautiful before-after slider to your website. I have a spa website and I want to add a before-after slider to it. Let's get started. In the WordPress dashboard, head to Depicter, Templates, and search for Before After in the search bar. This template suits our website. Let's import it. Just so you know, you can find the before after element in the elements section on the left sidebar. You can simply add it to your canvas and create a before after slider from scratch. Let's add the slider to our website. Publish now. Click on Edit with Elementor. Add a section. Choose your layout and structure, then add the Depicter widget to it. Select the slider that you just created and make sure to publish. Let's see the result. This before-after slider looks amazing on our website. Alright, that's it everyone. Hope you enjoyed the video. Let us know in the comments what you think. Thanks for watching. Bye.